All right, so it's August 27th going into the evening session. So this will be the first trade going from August 27th over into August 28th. So algorithm switched here for a long position. This is the simple switch red dot for futures trading. So it switched to the long side. I'm going to zoom in here actually. Let's zoom in. So the way this algorithm works is we get a black line with no red dots. Then we get a green line. As long as we don't have any red dots and we're black turning into a green line, we're good. We make that's our cue to enter the trade. So as soon as this candle closes right here, we're in the trade. Then we mark it up based on where the algorithm is telling us to mark it up, and then our target is here. So you know, I already missed the entry for this. I didn't see this and it already happened. But then when I look back in this chart, zoom back out, we got basically, you know, a bull flag kind of deal here. And then we got another run up. Looked like it was going to be a bull flag. And then I don't know what happened here, but this dropped all the way back down to support and got rescued immediately and has been flagging. So I'm putting my entry in here based a little combination of both. So the algorithm, if I was taking this trade on time, I would have got in here expecting a target here. In the last 180 trading days, this has had 0 losers. It's been 100% winning so far. So 180 trading days is almost a year, and it's been 100% winning in almost a year. So based on that, and looking at this, that if it were to break this level right here, chances are it's going to hit this target based on the 100% success rate of this strategy so far, and just market structure with this resistance. If it breaks it, I should see a little pop. So using a combination of the two, I put an order in right here. So if it does break this, my order will already be ready. If I don't have my order in and it breaks it fast, well then I might miss the move. So that's why the order is sitting there waiting. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get filled or not. I mean, it could roll over and just tank, and this could be the first loser in the last 180 trading days. But if it does go through, we'll be in, and I'll bring it to you. All right, so yeah, we'll hang out and see what happens here. It looks like we're pretty close. Orders right here. Keeps on wanting to try to get over that level. We got a lot of buyers, well, not a lot, but we do have buyers coming in. And yeah, we'll see. All right, so there it is. So we're in, and yeah, we'll see if we get to our target. All right, so I'm going to move this so it's a little easier to line up with what we're doing. Oops, not what I wanted to do. I like it to start on the candle that triggered everything, so when I'm taking a picture I can see this later on. I always take a screenshot of my trades after it's done with everything marked up so I can get a more accurate like log, if you will. So when I'm looking back, man, too bad I didn't just put my stop in. Why didn't I do that? Would have been there already. But just like I said, boom, would have hit that thing, would have been good to go. All right, let's look at that. What is that price? 35.07. All right, I didn't put my stop in. I got in, all the right idea. I just never, or not my stop, my limit order, I should say. And yeah, I already hit the target. We'll see what happens. So that was the target for the algorithm. Like I said, this algorithm, the red dot futures strategy algorithm, has been 100% so far in the last 180 trading days, almost a year. So I had a very high degree of confidence it was going to hit this target, and that's why I was willing to take this trade if it broke above this flag, if you will. But unfortunately, I didn't put my stop in. I just kind of took the trade, sat back, and started playing some video games. didn't put my limit order in for the target. So I'm hoping this will come back up, get my target, and get me out. Yeah, I could trail a stop here. I could just take my trade off the table and say, you know what, I hit the target, and I didn't get the full win on it. I just take what I can get. Could do that too. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. I'll tell you what, this is what we'll do. Cancel this. Come down here and put a stop in just above break even. All right, so we'll put our stop in just above break even. So if it backs up, I mean, once it hits my targets, it could roll over and be done. So it is what it is. Part of me just wants to take the 20 bucks. But I think I'm just going to leave that stop there and see what this, give it a chance to hit it again. So right now I'm tempted to move my stop up here real tight or just take my trade off the table. It's really close to the target. Yeah, I don't get the full win out of it, but it already hit the target, so I probably should be out of this trade. Alright, so I move my stop up. If it backs up and gets me out, then it gets me out. If it wants to move from here, I'll trail this up some more. And I'll just keep doing that. Because I don't want to be greedy, and it's not like, you know, oh, I missed it, I'm going to stay in it until I get it again. I might not get it again. You know, it doesn't always get it again. So it's a 100% win rate so far, 180 trading days based on hitting it one time. Not, you know, based on breaking it a whole bunch of times. So I always tell my students, if you're going to make a decision in a trade, you know, I always try to make my decisions based on a proven statistical probability of success. So it's already hit my target once. I don't have a proven statistical probability of success that it's going to hit it again. So that's why I move my stop up. So at least I lock in some profit. All right, so we should be getting out here, I think. All right, cool. So we got out really close to the target, you know, like I think $1 off. Look at the monitor here real quick. So we got a 35055, 35055. Our target was 35075. So we missed $2 off of our target. All good, really close to our target. So yeah, you can see there it was breaking the flag. Algorithm was in play. So I felt really confident to go ahead and take that trade. I'm glad I did. Made an extra 30 bucks to start the day, so pretty sweet. You know, if that would have been a full win, that would have been really nice. This would be like a $70 winner off of one contract, so pretty awesome. All right, that'll probably do it for tonight. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take another trade tonight, so I'll see everybody in the morning. If you're curious about my algorithms and my trading, I have swing trades, I have day trading, and I have my futures trading. So they all run off of algorithms that I created that give me the statistical probability of success that I want. It's data driven, so it helps out pretty awesome. Over at 2020daytrader.com, you can see a lot more information. My futures algorithm is not quite up there yet. I'm going to launch that hopefully in the next few weeks. Same thing with swing trading. Something I really wasn't going to put up there. I was just going to focus on day trading, but there seems to be some interest in the futures market and the swing trading. So I was like, all right, I'll put together a class on how I trade the futures market. So in the futures market, I have these three algorithms that I'm showing here on YouTube. I also have an options strategy, which is awesome. It's low frequency, just the same as several of these are low frequency as well, but high success. But these are the main ones I'm showing for now, and these will be available at 2020daytrader.com. But just so you know, like all my classes on 2020daytrader.com for trading my algorithms are free. I don't charge at all for the classes. Like it goes over my risk management plans, the whole nine, like the rules I use, like everything. The only thing that you would pay for if you decided you were interested was the algorithm itself, and it's a one-time fee. You buy it and it's yours, so it's yours for your own personal use. But the whole class, all the stuff about how I trade and why I make the decisions I make, and my risk management plan, my trade plan, and the strategy, all of that is free. And again, you only pay for the algorithm should you decide you actually want to start trading with the algorithm. So you have nothing to lose to check it out. If you're interested, go over there. Maybe you'll learn something about my trading plans and rules, something you might be able to adapt to your trading style and your trading plan. But yeah, go check it out, 2020daytrader.com. All right, everybody, we'll see you tomorrow.